Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I prepared this organic homemade plantain flour, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And guys, this plantain flour, you can use it to prepare a lot of things. You can use this for your swallow, but this in particular, I'll be using it to prepare my baby's food. So watch this video till the end and give it a thumbs up. So guys, I'll be using 5 unripe plantains. You can use more or less. So first of all, I will wash it very well. Then after that, I will peel off the skin of the plantain just like so. And remember, you must use unripe plantain. So guys, I just want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for watching my video. If you are stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing. Turn on your notification to all so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And guys, if you find this video helpful, remember to share it out. Also give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. So once I'm done peeling off the skin, I will start slicing my plantain. Meanwhile, if you don't have this kind of kitchen gadgets, you can use your knife to slice your plantain. But I'll be using this because it's very easy to use and it makes your work easier. If you're slicing with your kitchen knife, make sure you slice it as tiny as possible so that it will dry on time. This is the size I'm slicing mine. And if you'll be using this type of kitchen gadget, before you start slicing it, make sure you adjust it. So this remaining one, I will go ahead and use my kitchen knife to finish up with the slicing so that I will not wound myself. Guys, there is nothing like homemade food. I don't go out buying the powdered one because I'm not yet convinced that it's only plantain flour. Though I know a lot of people will be selling only plantain flour, but a lot will also be mixing some other things in it. So I better do my own, no matter the quantity. I just do it by myself. And especially now that I'm feeding this to my baby, so I prefer doing everything homemade. So guys, once you are done slicing your plantains, you spread it out on a tray. I'll be using 2 trays because I want it to dry on time, and I'll be drying it indoors. You can take it out and dry it under the sun, but I'll be drying mine indoors because I want it to still retain all the nutrients in it. So I'll be drying it in here for some days, guys. I think 3 to 4 days it will be okay, but I will tell you the number of days I spent drying this. I'm just trying to spread it out very well so that none will be sticking on each other. So guys, as you can see, I'm keeping it on top of my deep freezer. This is where it will be staying, and this is after 5 days, guys, because I want to make sure that it dried very well. Can you hear the sound of the plantain? This shows that it has dried up very well. Can you hear the sound, guys? Oh, I'm in love with this sound. So guys, the next thing is to start blending the plantain flour. I'll be using this small blender that is meant for only dry foods. Don't mind the inside, guys. I've used it earlier today to blend soybean powder. And I'll be leaving the link of that soybean powder in the description box. I also add the soybean powder to my baby's food. So guys, this is just how I blend it. I blended this several times, guys, at least up to 30 seconds to make sure that it has turned to powder. You can see the dust coming out of it, guys. So I will just pour it out here and continue with the rest of the plantain. But don't go anywhere, guys, because the video is not yet finished. I will still be showing you how to store your plantain flour after blending it, okay? So guys, just take a look at this plantain flour. Just take a very close look at it. This is how it's looking. You can use this even to prepare plantain pancake. You can use it for a lot of recipes for your swallow, but I'll be adding this my baby's food. So guys, try and prepare yours at home, as you all know that plantain is very rich in iron and it has a lot of other health benefits, guys. So I will just go ahead and store this now inside my airtight container. And if you don't have airtight container, you can use a nylon bag and store it, but after storing it, make sure that you tie it very well so that air will not enter inside, and it will last you for years, guys. Yes, it will last for years. So here comes the end of today's video. Hope you enjoy it or you learn one or two things. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you for watching up to this extent, and remember to share out this video to your family, to your friends, to your colleague, and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up as well. Bye, and see you in my next one.